Welcome to MagicDoor Tutorials. Today we're going to be going over all things rental applications as well as draft rental applications. We'll explain how the AI works and how to review these applications. So first off, I wanted to show you this is what your website would look like, and here's where they can actually submit a rental application. So let's start by showing you how to adjust these details. So you can hop right down to settings, or if you go to leasing, select rental applications, there will be this application settings button. You can click there, it'll automatically bring you to settings. Either way, now we're in our rental application section of settings. As you can see, we have our application fees, application information, chart of accounts, and standard questions. So let's just go through this real quick. First, you can require a payment or not for these application fees. You can make it the basic $30 that will be charged for the TransUnion report cost. And then you can also add on top of that if you want to make some money here. So let's say you want it to be $90, $100, $60, you can make that adjustment here and press save. You can also view what your profit is going to be because there is going to be that online credit card processing fee as well as the TransUnion report cost. That will always be $30. Make that adjustment and then select application information. Here you can toggle on or off the required screening for the application and which bank account you want those application fees to be sent to, operational account, or any other bank account you have entered. Make sure to press save if you make any adjustments. Next, we have our chart of account. So we have the rental application chart of accounts, the credit report chart of account, and the dispute fee chart of account. So go ahead and make your adjustments and selections for whichever chart of account you want all this to be under and press save. Then we're going to go down to our standard questions, and here you have your questions, such as did any of the people applying smoke? Do you have a car? Have you declared bankruptcy? You can enter in any question that you want on your application here. You can also delete these by just pressing this trash can. And of course, make sure to press save. So going back to the rental application, it's going to ask all of the basic information like their name, their social security number, submitting their ID. Then they're going to select their potential units on all the units you have. Then they'll have their rental history. Anything with an asterisk is what's going to be required. Then they'll enter in their annual income, and here they'll also add their employment. Now these are the questions that you entered in your settings, and they can just select yes or no. Then they'll have their terms and conditions, their payment details, and they confirm their identity. So now what's really cool is as the property manager, you can go into MagicDoor, select leasing, and go to draft rental applications. As you can see, Harry Potter spelled wrong was the rental application that I just made, and this is in our draft rental applications. So this is basically a lead. You can select this and see all the information that they have filled out, and then you can directly communicate with them and say, hey, I saw you didn't finish your rental application. Is there any way I can help you do this? Or I saw that all you did was not pay. Is the price an issue? Or whatever communication you want to have with them. Now, when it comes to our actual rental applications, every application is going to have an AI score. So I'm going to click on one of these. This score is also going to have a description about why they got this score. So 70 is very good. If they have a score of 10, they probably have some issues you want to look at. This is just to help you make quicker decisions and have more efficiency. So you can quickly approve, reject, or ignore, and you can view these reports. Now this information is going to be pulled not only from that TransUnion report, but also from all the self-reported information they've given you, such as their income, their rental history, their work history, etc. You can also submit a rental application for a tenant by clicking New Rental Application. Here you see all your pending, all your applications, approved, and rejected.